Hello everyone, I'm Liana with Music Academy International, Inc. and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm continuing my series of Czerny Opus 599, and I'm gonna go right now section 2 that starts with number 11 all the way to number 18, right? All the way to number 18. And this section is called exercises for 5 fingers. You know, 5 fingers. We're gonna stay in the one position, C, D, E, F, G. And the next, the next 8 Czernys, the next 8 tutorials. And with the quiet hand. What it would be the quiet hand? Meaning, it's not quite quiet. It's meaning peaceful hand, like little, nice and, smooth. Let's put it this way, smooth, right? In this series, you will see that the left hand this time is going to do all kind of accompaniment patterns that we will talk one by one by one. We will approach this. So what I want to tell you, I did do another series of Czerny Opus 299. That's for the speed. I realized that most of you, whatever at this moment in time, you're not quite there for the speed. So this Czerny is a foundation, going through this entire book, that actually there are 100 Czernys. I'll try to do as many as I can. Maybe all, I am not sure. But anyhow, so this Opus 599 is the foundation to go for speed. And actually after this 599, it will go 847 and then 299, okay? So this Czerny, usually I'm starting with students that are kind of in good students that in favor and favor. My students would be level 3A or 3B, somewhere around there, in which they kind of know they do have a little bit of coordination, they do know about chords, they do know about scale, and they do know where they are. So it's time for some technique, songs, etudes, as it's called Czerny. On the second thought, I just want to tell you that for me, scales, Hanon and Czerny, again, scales, Hanon and Czerny, is the foundation of playing the piano. So if you're just doing scales and Hanon, that's fine. If you're doing Hanon and Czerny, that's fine. But all three together actually goes very well together. Again, you will have in my playlist, again, if you are more advanced, Czerny Opus 299 for virtuoso, that means for speed, and you have an entire first 20 exercises of Hanon on the playlist. Not only the patterns, I created there an ultimate drills series, how to practice that Hanon, because if you're not practicing right the patterns, first is boring, then it's not gonna go where it needs to go. So please check those into the into my playlist. And obviously, if you're new and you like this video, like subscribe and comment on it. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1, I'm changing the camera and let's go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. So we having I switched the camera, so right now we having Hanon number 11. I'm gonna play it all the way through it, and let's see, maybe like a 75. Let me 75 or 80. The metronome. And let's go. I'm not gonna repeat. I'm moving next. is in Czerny number 11. It's actually not much to talk about. We're having two chords on the left hand. That would be C chord and then G chord inverted. So it's number 1 and 5th, chord. You can take it anywhere you go. And then obviously the G7 over here. You can go with whatever finger, 1, 2, 4 and 1, 3, 5, or 1, 3, 5 and 1, 3, 5 as well. Doesn't matter exactly, Lots of my students, we usually go with 1, 3, 5 because the right hand, it will have the same coordination here, right? But again, it's up to you which one you're using. So these are the only chords. Please relax your wrist. Don't play it over there, Don't play it over here. Don't be stiff like that, or I don't know, or any other. So relax your wrist and then your palm to be really, really relaxed. And then this, practice this and this, right? So C, G inversion, C and G7 here, right? So do this exercise couple of times until you really good at it. My beautiful dog is here, right? On the right hand, nothing much to say. And actually on this Czerny, it's really, really not much to say. We're getting used with C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Okay, C, E, skip and up and down. And then the other. And so you're playing around with C, E, G, G, E, C, E, G, C, C, E, and D, G, F, D. That's another one that you will find more and more on the number 13, number 14, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this one is the easiest one. So stay peaceful and play it with patience. Okay, good. So this is all that I can say in regarding number 11. So do replay and like the video because it's more to come. Obviously number 12, it's next one. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and the bell notification for the next one. Thank you.